Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Ojol the game. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no notification settings that you can turn off from within the game, just long press on the Ojol the game application icon. You will then see the info button. Tap on this button and this will take you into the application info page for Ojol the game. Now underneath privacy, you will see the notifications option. Just tap on the notification option and you will see a toggle which you can turn off by simply tapping on it. After tapping on the toggle, all the notifications from the Ojol game will be turned off for your device. You can turn back this toggle at any point of time if you wish to turn on notifications once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on Ojol the game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.